Hello, this is an introduction video to OptoPro unit reporting. The video is aiming at project managers and other office personnel. So I will now show you how to use the different functions in your daily job. So you log into OptoPro and you choose the project. So I have chosen the training session project. And then I go to Documents and Unit Reports. So in this first field, I will see the daily flow of reports coming in from the project. I can see every column and data that it's based on the uploaded unit report list for this project. And of course, it's based on the reports from the personnel. So I can do some customization here. If I don't want to see every data, I press the columns button and I choose what data I want to see. So I just click some of these if I'm not interested in these at the moment. And I can narrow down the list. Otherwise it's normal job reports, date, what type of job, category, article, and quantity, and duration. Comments if there are any. In this job, in this project, it's only 12 or I think it's 13 reports only. So if you have several hundred reports, you can switch to the next page by clicking here, or you can show many rows at the same time and you can scroll up and down. You can sort the data by clicking the headers. Sort by date, just click date. Click one more time, so it will be the newest one first. Or if you want to sort by category, just click the headers. You can do exports from this view. So if you want exactly this view to Excel, just click Excel and you will have the normal Excel format. You can also export in CSV version. If you want to do a old-fashioned print, just press print button. You can do a paper print or you can do a PDF in file format. If you have a long list and you are searching for some particular, you go to search function and you write in the field demolition, for example. So it's only 2 hits for demolition. And if you empty the field, things will go back to normal. If I find an error, I can go into a report and edit. Let's say I want to edit this report. Press this green edit button. I will go to the original report and I can do changes here. If you do changes, press the save button. Also I can do comments if I want. I have some problem here. So if I want this to be shown on the map, I will switch that and save. And I can now put this comment in a special location. There's a problem here and go back. this comment is not now unresolved, so if any changes, you can click this to mark that as resolved. So now the job is edited by this new comment problem. If I want to duplicate the report, press this duplicate button, so I can report the same type of job one more time. Also delete a report. If I want to do a report from Office, I press this report unit, and this looks very similar to the normal reporting functionality for field users. So I can do reports here, date, what type, category. Here's the estimated and actual amounts. And this was a cable 2 job. This was a transformer 4 job, 5 meters, 3 hours. No comment. Save. If I want to do additional reports, I just fill in more jobs here. So now the 5 meter cable 2 job is here. If I want to see data by weeks, I press the weekly button, and I can see now my reports are sorted by weeks. So here's week 14, 15, 16, etc. For this example, I have company 1, dismantling 1 job is estimated 3 pieces. 2 has been finished, and they are in week 15. So if these weekly reports are important for you, you can work with them on screen, or you can do Excels or printouts. If I click this daily button, I will go back to the daily flow, the first view. Let's say you want to see for a particular day or a time interval what has been reported in the project, or by a special contractor. You press the interval button. Here you can choose the contractor you want to monitor. Here you choose the dates. So let's say I want to see what happened the 16th. Press the filter by selection. So here's all the work reported the 16th. This is nice also if you have many contractors. You choose the contractor and you can see what they have produced for a time interval. If you work with price list in the OptoPro system, and you have uploaded prices and costs for different jobs, you can see this information also by euros. So that is in this daily budget, the euro sign. So if you press that, you will see the actual costs in the project. And if you filter them by date or by contractor, you can see what is the costs for the project for the time interval. If you don't use prices like in real euros in the system, of course you don't have to do it. Another thing here you can see in the daily budget button, you have the possibility to mark the different jobs, if they are internal, external, how they are attested, how they invoiced, etc. So let's say you have a job you cannot invoice. Let's say this one, you must take it internally. So you mark this and save as internal job. So it will be probably helpful for you when taking out the Excel exports, and these will be categorized as internal jobs. These last three buttons are Excel exports. If you want to do a Excel export by dates, by date interval, you click that. This is by all weeks, and this is selected weeks. So I will now go back to the daily flow. And go through real quick, most important. So you can customize by changing the columns, changing the rows. You can sort by clicking the header. You can do printouts, Excel downloads. You can duplicate reports, edit reports, delete reports. Search function is here. Normal reports you do in this report unit button. And weekly data, daily time interval data, daily costs and attests, invoiced, etc. Here is the export function in Excel format. Okay, thank you for your time and good luck with the unit reporting. Don't hesitate to contact your local administrator or also contact OptoPro if you need help. Bye.